everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today we're going to make a really fun add-on that you can put on to any wreath that you have, whether it be grapevine or greenery. It's going to have these adorable carrots, some berries, a little greenery pick, and of course some adorable ribbon. So first I want to show you, this is a really pretty foliage wreath that is brand new to us here at Dee's, and this is available on the site at shopdeeslouisville.com, and I think it is so pretty to add things into. It is absolutely my favorite. So check that out, and if you're wanting to use that, that would be perfect with this, but any wreath that you have will work. So we're going to start out. We've got this beautiful little fern ivy stem pick here. So we're just going to fluff this up and bring it all to life. And we're going to take our carrots. You're going to get a striped carrot, and you're going to get this adorable polka dot carrot. So it's totally up to you. You can put them down in there really tight, or you can put them lower or put them higher. It's totally up to you. And then I'm going to add this pretty berry pick. And I think that's just so pretty. And then your kit, of course, is going to have the wire. And I like to go ahead and wire these all together. I'm going to just wrap this wire around there and make it nice and tight. And assemble that all together, just like so. Now, if you wanted to, you could cut your stems off and glue them right in there. But this way, you're going to get to reuse this over and over. You can add other things to your wreath and put this away and just save it until next Easter after you use it this year. So included in your kit will be these adorable ribbons. Now, I did cheat a little bit by already making the bow, but you know you can check back to our YouTube videos to teach you how to make the bows. But everything is included in the kit that you need. And then I'm just going to go in and add my bow right around my stem piece here and twist that nice and tight there to hold that in place. And then we're just going to go in and add this to this amazing greenery wreath. Got my wires here. And we're just going to tie that right around the wreath. Pull it nice and tight and cinch that really good to your wreath. And then you can kind of hide your wire stem up in your wreath, or you can trim it off. But if you think you're going to want to remove it and be able to use your wreath again, then just leave those stems kind of buried back there, and you can easily remove them. And then we're just going to fluff up our bow and our berries. Our cute little bunnies here. And how cute is that? Quick and easy carrot add-on. So cute. So this is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Make sure you go and check it out.